that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Eén baard. Eén mesje. In één keer.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. Oh.
Philips OneBlade. Trim, scheer en stijlhaar van alle lengtes. Ontdek het zelf. Innovation and You.
The Braun Series 7, designed with responsive intelligence. The smart shaver intelligently responds to the unique features of your face. With its 5 personalization modes powering 4 synchronized shaving elements to tackle the trickiest of areas with pinpoint precision. Whilst 10,000 vibrations create a cushion for your Series 7 to gently glide across your skin. And for total control, the built-in precision trimmer takes care of the finishing touches. So whether you shave dry, with gel or foam, the Series 7 will deliver a close and gentle shave. And when you're done, you can clean your Braun shaver under running water or with the clean and charge station.
When it's time for a shave, I want ultimate shaving performance and skin comfort. After powering up my Braun shaver, I hold it at a 90-degree angle to my face. The Braun Series 9 has a fully flexible shaving system which adapts to every contour of my face. Even problem areas such as the chin, neck or jawline are easy to shave. The easy pop-up long hair trimmer gives me perfect precision on my sideburns. I can groom with foam or gel or during a refreshing shower. That's no problem with Braun Series 9. Ultimate performance for perfectly smooth skin. The best way to clean my shaver is with the Braun Clean and Charge Station. Without one, I can clean my Braun shaver with a brush or under hot running water. I change the cutting system cassette about every 18 months. And change the cleaning center refill about once a month, or when the level indicator blinks red. To maintain 100% of my shaver's performance.
I love the look and feel of a close shave. The problem is my skin doesn't always agree. It's sensitive, so shaving often leaves it feeling uncomfortable, red and irritated. So not the look I'm going for. What I want is a shaver that takes care of my skin, but gives me the close shave I like.
Our research shows that the main cause of shaving irritation and redness is friction from the shaver going over the same area on the skin again and again. To tackle this problem, we developed the Philips Shaver Series 7000 with comfort rings that have special anti-friction coating. It contains thousands of powder-like beads, giving the rings a smooth surface that lets the shaver easily glide over the skin. Shaving is made comfortable and effective for sensitive skin. The gentle precision blades have been engineered to cut the hairs carefully while protecting the skin for a close, skin-friendly shave. The head can flex in 5 different directions, following the curves of the face for added comfort.
With the Philips Shaver Series 7000, I can shave dry or wet with gel or foam, so much more comfortably. I can use it for my full facial routine too, to trim and cleanse my skin. It's got this smart click system that I can use to attach the cleansing brush. I use it with my facial wash to thoroughly clean my skin. I love how it leaves my skin feeling smooth and looking healthy. Pretty good, eh? This shaver gives me exactly what my sensitive skin needs. A smooth, comfortable shave. Anyway, enough of all that. I've got the rest of my day to get on with.